एवरीबडी, दिस इज द थर्ड लेक्चर ऑफ एटॉमिक एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फिजिक्स। तो लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया था, last time we calculated rotational energy levels of diatomic molecule when it is treated as a rigid rotator. आज हम लोग देखेंगे rotation spectrum of diatomic molecules when it is treated as a rigid rotator. Now, what is spectrum? Suppose we have a lower energy state and we have a higher energy state, and there is a transition which is taking place between these two energy levels. Then it gives rise to a spectrum. ठीक है? So whatever changes will be taking place between the rotational energy levels, and because of that we are getting any kind of spectrum that will be called as rotational spectrum. Transition between rotational levels gives rise to rotational spectrum, and these transitions are restricted by selection rule. तो यहाँ पे selection rule rotational spectrum में क्या है? डेल्टा J it is equals to plus minus 1. J हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम भी देखा था. What is J? J it is called as rotational quantum number. ये आपको याद रखना है. J is known as rotational quantum number. Here plus sign is plus minus 1 है. Plus sign it shows absorption spectrum and minus sign it is for emission spectrum. Now the rotational energies we know in the very first lecture of AMP, atomic and molecular physics, we have seen the values of energy levels corresponding to vibrational, electronic and rotational energies. ये value हमेशा याद रखो. We know that the rotational energies are of the order of 10 raised to minus 3 electron volt. ठीक है? So इतना कम होता है. And we know that at room temperature the thermal energy which is available is given by the formula KT, where K is Boltzmann constant, T is room temperature. और अगर ये value substitute करके आप लोग energy निकालते हो, so you will get this value 0.025 electron volt. ठीक है? रोटेशनल एनर्जीज का चेंज, व्हाट इफ रोटेशनल एनर्जीज दे आर ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ 10 raised to minus 3, विच इज वेरी स्मॉल वैल्यू. एंड रूम टेम्परेचर पे जो थर्मल एनर्जी अवेलेबल है that is high, 0.025 electron volt. So hence at room temperature, because whatever the molecules they will be having, they are in the rotational energy state. At room temperature they have sufficient energy which is available to go into the excited state. हम लोग यहाँ पे when we are saying that rotational energies are of the order of 10 raised to minus 3 electron volt, इसका मतलब क्या है? Suppose कोई lower energy state पे molecule है, if it has to go to excited state, it should have energy of the order of 10 raised to minus 3 electron volt, and then it can go from lower energy state to ground excited state. यहाँ पे when we are talking about room temperature, जो thermal energy available है वो 0.025 electron volt है, which is higher than this energy. यानी for most of the molecules energy is available so that these molecules can gain this room temperature thermal energy and they can go to excited state. So hence at room temperature good population of molecule is in the rotational excited state. So most of the molecules they are in the rotational excited state, because rotational excited state के लिए वैल्यू चाहिए 10 raised to minus 3 electron volt, and we already have thermal energy 0.025 electron volt available. So remember this is very important that at room temperature good population of molecule is in the rotational excited state. Now the frequency of photon absorbed in rotational level is, we know this formula that whenever we say that energy change is taking place between two energy levels, suppose excited state molecule है, it is coming to ground state, it will emit energy in the form of photon h nu, and this h nu it is nothing but equal to energy difference between the two energy levels. Suppose ये EJ है और ये energy level है EJ plus 1, then h nu it will be equals to EJ plus 1 minus EJ. That means I can write nu j. Suppose मैं nu को nu j लिखती हूँ, तो I can write nu j equals to EJ plus 1 minus EJ upon h. ये h को मैंने नीचे डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके, सो nu j equals to, अभी लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया था EJ की वैल्यू, रोटेशनल एनर्जी वैल्यू. EJ इट इज गिवन बाय h क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2i J इंटू J प्लस 1. ये फॉर्मूला हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम कैलकुलेट किया था. रोटेशनल एनर्जी लेवल्स दे आर गिवन बाय द फॉर्मूला EJ इक्वल्स टू h क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2i J इंटू J प्लस 1. सो EJ प्लस 1 कितना हो जाएगा? रिप्लेस J बाई J प्लस 1, h क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2i, J को मैं J प्लस 1 लिखूंगी और यहाँ पे भी J को J प्लस 1 लिखूंगी तो हो जाएगा J प्लस 2. So that is what I have done. न्यू जे इक्वल्स टू ई जे प्लस 1 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की, ई जे की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की, दोनों में से मैंने h क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2i h कॉमन लिया. सो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट आई विल गेट j प्लस 1 इंटू जे प्लस 2 माइनस j इंटू जे प्लस 1. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो j इंटू जे स्क्वायर प्लस j इंटू जे 2j प्लस j प्लस 2 माइनस j इंटू जे स्क्वायर माइनस j plus j cancel, then minus j square plus j square cancel. So we will get 2j plus 2 common ले लेंगे. So we will get, and that 2 will get cancelled with this 2. So we will get h cross square upon 2i h j plus 1. H cross square. So what we are basically getting is nu j equals to h cross square upon 2i h इंटू जे प्लस 1 इंटू 2. तो ये 2 कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ h क्रॉस स्क्वायर की वैल्यू होती है, वी नो दैट h क्रॉस इट इज इक्वल्स टू h अपॉन 2 पाई. तो मैंने h क्रॉस की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की. सो आई विल गेट h स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई स्क्वायर, और एक h इसमें से कैंसिल हो गया ये वाले h के साथ. सो आई विल जस्ट गेट h अपॉन 4 पाई स्क्वायर i इंटू जे प्लस 1. सपोज h अपॉन 4 पाई स्क्वायर i इट इज नथिंग बट b. So I can write down nu j, it is equals to b into j plus 1. So when j equals to 0, nu 0 equals to b. When j equals to 1, nu 1 equals to 2b. When j equals to 2, nu 2 equals to 3b. ये वाले फॉर्मूले में nu j equals to b into j plus 1. I am substituting different values of j and calculating this value. So I am getting for j equals to 0, nu 0 equals to b. For j equals to 1, nu 1 equals to 2b and so on. So what we can see b, उसके बाद में 2b, उसके बाद में 3b, उसके बाद में 4b आएगा. Like this we are getting. So hence we see that through the rotation, though the rotational energy states are not equispaced. Last time हम लोगों ने देखा था rotational energy levels, they are not equispaced. As rotational quantum number j increases, spacing also increases, right? लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो rotational spectrum, rotational spacing between the rotational energy levels, that is equal. So hence we see that though the rotational energy states are not equispaced, rotational lines, spectral lines, they are equispaced. Rotational spectral lines are equispaced. So this is very important. Always remember, rotational energy states are not equispaced, but rotational spectral lines are equispaced. Now ये देखो rotational absorption spectrum. So we have 0. These are the values of j. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 0. These are the energy values. 0 bh, 3 bh, 6 bh, 10 bh, and so on. So here you can see this spacing. It is not constant. It goes on increasing with j. ठीक है, यहाँ पे स्पेसिंग कम है, फिर यहाँ पे बढ़ गया, फिर यहाँ पे और बढ़ गया, यहाँ पे और बढ़ गया. So with as j increases, this spacing increases. That is what is the meaning. Energy levels are not equispaced. But when the transition is taking place, we get a spectral line over here. When the transition between these two energy levels take place, we get line over here like this. And this spacing, it is equispaced. 4b minus 3b, b. 3b minus 2b, b.